There's a creature on Earth that has technically figured out how to live forever. The immortal jellyfish doesn't die of old age. When it gets sick or stressed, it transforms its cells back into their earliest state, essentially turning back into a baby. This process is called transdifferentiation. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar whenever it gets tired. It can repeat this cycle an infinite number of times. Scientists are studying their DNA to see if we can replicate this cellular reset in humans to cure diseases or even reverse the physical signs of aging. If you could reset your age to 10 once, would you do it? Type for yes. In 1908, a massive explosion flattened an entire forest in Siberia, but when scientists arrived, there was no crater. The Tunguska event released the energy of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. It was so bright it was seen from hundreds of miles away, yet nothing hit the ground. Most experts believe it was an airburst. A space rock traveling at 33,000 miles per hour heated up so fast it exploded 5 miles above the Earth, creating a massive shockwave. If that meteor had arrived just a few hours later, Earth's rotation would have put the major city directly in its path. We got incredibly lucky. Do you think we're ready for the next big one? Comment if you're worried. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, and it proves the universe is weirder than we can imagine. In quantum entanglement, two particles become linked. Whatever happens to one happens to the other instantly, even if they are on opposite sides of the universe. This connection is faster than the speed of light, which shouldn't be possible. It suggests that everything in the universe might be connected on a level we don't yet understand. We are already using this to build quantum computers and unhackable communication networks that could change the internet forever. Is the universe a giant computer? Type for yes or for no. Have you ever woken up and realized you couldn't move while a dark shadow watched you from the corner? This is sleep paralysis. It happens when your brain wakes up before your body's muscle paralysis, rematonia, has turned off. Because your brain is still in a dream state, it often projects your fears into the room. This is why people all over the world report seeing the same shadowy intruder. It's harmless, though terrifying. To break out, try focusing all your energy on wiggling just one toe or finger. This sends a signal to your brain to reboot your muscles. Have you ever met the Shadow Man? Tell your story in the comments, and if you dare. How do 150 people breathe on a submarine that stays underwater for 3 months straight? They don't carry air tanks. They use a process called electrolysis. They pull in seawater, zap it with electricity, and split the H2O into hydrogen and breathable oxygen. The real danger isn't running out of oxygen, it's the buildup of carbon dioxide. They use scrubbers filled with chemicals to literally soak up the CO2 you exhale. If the power goes out, they have oxygen candles. When burned, these chemical sticks release enough oxygen for the whole crew to survive for a full day. Could you survive 90 days in a metal tube? Type for yes or for no.